Чё такое, блядь? Чё ты виляешь?
Товарищ,
На тебе, блядь, уёбок.
Oh my god, Speed Demon meets Pepper Spray. Instant IQ check. Failed.
Ещё на.
Really? You throw trash on the road and think the world is your bin? Classic. Karma just sent you a refund. He wanted attention, and the road gave it to him, plus a bonus lesson in public shame.
Move! Oi! Move, man! Move! Why don't you move?
Fuck off, you cunt!
Oi! Fuck that, they hit the car. Come, let's go. They hit the car.
The yeah, there's a puddle there.
Go fucking dank them, damp them.
Dickheads!
Oi! Prick!
Nothing builds character like forgetting who's driving and everyone yelling like GPS with trauma. He went from lion to house cat the second consequences showed up. Oh my god, instant evolution.
Let's go for a ride! Let's go for a ride and then jump off and run over me!
Oh my god, bold move. Did he really treat the laws of physics like suggestions?
Move me, fist!
Oh my god, she wanted the lane, the speed, the space, and zero responsibility. Pick one, queen.